Hello guys and welcome to my channel MSCK Trading. This channel is for educational purpose and this channel is dedicated to traders and investors. Here in this channel, I'll be educating traders and investors who deal in stock market. The main focus will be on technical analysis. The technical analysis can be used across any segments of the market. It can be equity cash, futures, commodities, forex and cryptos as well. Well, let me tell you what is the main motive to start this channel. I've come across many traders and investors who have lost a lot of money in the market, and there are many people who think they need loads of capital to generate income from stock market. I have also come across few people, they are retail traders. They usually say that retailers are here in the market to lose money, which I totally don't agree with. Well, my opinion is if you are not well trained or well educated, obviously you are going to lose money in the stock market. Hence, I decided to start this channel to educate traders, especially those who have small capital and those who are unable to generate consistent income by trading or investing. All I can say is learn and then earn. First priority has to be education. If you are well educated and well trained, money will flow in your accounts. Well, if you are not well trained, then probably you are gambling, which is absolutely wrong. And remember, half knowledge is always dangerous. So my advice is get educated first and then start trading. Well, what do I mean by well trained? See, if you attend a webinar or seminar or some workshop and then think you are well trained, then it's absolutely wrong. Well trained in the sense dedicating your time to understand markets. You need to do loads of practice and homework. You need to understand the risk involved in the market and also how to deal with it. I mean, how to deal with the risk. The most important thing is getting the psychology right. This is the key to be successful in trading, especially for day traders and swing traders. Psychology is a major part. Well, let me show you something here. Here, if you see, majority of the portion is covered by blue color, right? So this majority of portion has discipline, money management and risk management. This is the rule to be a successful trader. The rule says 75 and 25, 75% and 25%. What does this mean? To be successful trader, you got to be strong with your money management and risk management skills, and you got to be disciplined. Only disciplined traders will be successful traders. If you see here, the strategies what I have covered is just 25%. There are many people who know very good strategies, but still they are failing in the market regularly. What is the reason? Either they don't know how to manage the risk, how to manage the money, or they are not disciplined. Even if you have one or two strategies and you have good discipline, you have good rules to trade, you have good money management and risk management skills, even then you're gonna win in this game. You need to get this 75% right to win in the market. Well, there are few who don't want to lose in the market, and this is absolutely wrong. I don't say that you will never lose or you will never see losses. Obviously, you will see losses as well, and losses are part of the trading and investment. If you know how to handle your losses and manage the risk, and the main important thing is managing your emotions post losses. If you can manage your emotions after seeing a big loss, then for sure you are on the right track, and down the lane definitely one day you will be a successful trader. My advice to all those day traders who have been losing money, don't get attracted to the big profits which you usually come across. First learn to make few hundreds. If you can make few hundred consistently, then you will have no trouble in making few thousands down the lane, and so on. Sky will be the limit. But first learn to make few hundreds. If you can't make few hundreds, forget thousands and lakhs. It's next to impossible. Well, as I said you before, discipline, money management and risk management is the key to be a successful trader. I'll try and make some more videos on discipline, risk management and money management. Well, a little about me. I've been trading for a couple of years now. I'm more into day trading And let me show you my account, how it looks. Let me show you first what is the profit I have generated for the month of September. You can see here from September 1st till September 30th. Let me show you what is the profit I have generated. Yeah, it's somewhere around 59,000. Now let me show you my capital as well. Well, I'm a small time trader. Now my current capital is 5,36,000. You can just check out the profits again. It's 59k. Realized PNL was around 65. So if you see the return on investments, it's almost around 12%. Now 12% for a month, it's very good, and probably most of them would agree with it, and I'm really happy with that. Even if I get 4 to 6% return on investment per month, I'm happy with that. I'm satisfied, because if you calculate it for 12 months, right, 4% in the 12 months, it's almost around 48%. Forget 48. Even if you get 24, 25 or 30% return on investment per year, it's very good, because it's better than mutual funds. Mutual funds are giving somewhere around 12-15%, maybe max. I have no idea about that, but still, if you can get 30%, it's better than mutual funds. Now here my idea is, to break down your targets. Break down your targets to 2% return on investment per week. If you can do that, monthly it will be somewhere around 8 to 10% probably. Always keep small targets like 2% a week or 1% a week. As you do this, you will see how easily you can generate profits, and you can see how easily your return on investments be increasing. Now I don't suggest you to start with 5 lakhs capital or 10 lakhs capital. Remember one thing, if you can't make money with 10,000 or 20,000, you can never make money with 5 lakhs or 50 lakhs or whatever capital you have. The main important thing while trading is to understand the risk and to have a right psychology. Now coming back to this channel, how can you learn from this channel? All you got to do is go through the videos, prepare your own notes and practice as much as possible. After every video I upload, go try to understand that. If you don't understand, see the video again, prepare notes and practice. Practice is the key to be successful. And now the question is how to practice and where to practice. Don't worry about that. In the next video, I'll tell you about a software and few websites where you can go backtest, track stocks and practice. Well, that's all for now. Wishing you all good luck. Please like the video and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos. And see you soon. Take care.